Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. Thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. So let's get some things updated here. And first thing I want to do is just a minor little adjustment now that we have more data. So this level of support I was talking about was at 250. And yeah, I mean, really this level, you could very well leave it right there. I mean, you could argue that it's essentially acted as support. Remember, supports and resistance levels are not exact specific prices, but just to kind of give it a little bit more leeway, I'm going to move the price right down there because that's essentially right where the price did bounce off of at the 6,000 mark. So that nice round number there, 6,000, that key area of support going forward. But the interesting thing that I talk about right now, and that's going to continue to play out, remember the crypto markets are open 24/7, is what is currently occurring right now within regard to this red line. I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past, but if you have, you've heard me talk about right here around the 7,500 mark, give or take, and that is right where the price is at currently right now, trying to do battle. Now, the candle that has currently taken shape, not the best candle. However, there's still plenty of time left for this candle to finish, its pattern, its shape. But as it stands right now, not the most inspiring candle. But the point here being is you got to give credit where credit's due. And there is no doubt about it, the bulls over the past several hours have definitely made a very nice bounce off that $6,000 mark. So now the question just becomes, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. Nothing like that at all. Anybody that knows how to use charts and uses them is going to be wondering the same thing going forward, over the next several hours. Can the price break up above this initial area of resistance here, which was a former level of support? Now, if the price does, that doesn't mean that everything's rainbows and butterflies again. There's still lots of work to be done on the bulls part. The next bit of quote-unquote work that would need to be done is in regards to this purple line up there, which again, for those of you that have watched my past videos have heard me talk time and time again, that is a 50-period simple moving average. But everything's got to start somewhere, and that first step in the right direction would be the price not only getting above 7,500, but then being able to start to stay up above it. And then after that can occur, you can worry about doing battle and crossing that next bridge again, being the 50-period simple moving average. So very nice bounce currently underway. Now it's just a question of how strong is the bounce? Well, let's see if the price can start to break through some areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.